Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims economic questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming Prelims exam. Okay, and also how to crack the question in easier manner. Okay, how to find key within the statement. Okay, how to eliminate any one of the statement and go for answer. Okay, so all the things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has announced the MSP for which of the above following. Okay, this is a purely factual based question. Okay, you have to memorize the what are the MSP crops. Okay, there are actually 23 crops, around 23 crops. Okay, you have to memorize it. Okay, first thing, Kharif crops. Okay, so there are 14 crops: paddy, jowar, bajra, maize, ragi, tur, moong, urud, groundnut, soya bean, sunflower, sesame, Niger seed and cotton. See, there was a question in 2023 related to this Niger seed. Okay, in which there is one of the statement which says that the MSB is providing for the Niger seed. Okay, such a way they have one of the statement. Okay, so if you memorize this thing, means either directly or indirectly it will helps you to crack any other question. Okay, that statement is purely focused on that question is purely focused on the Niger seed. Okay, in which on the three statements there is one of the statement as the government of India is providing the MSP for the Niger seed. Okay, so you have to memorize these things. Okay, then the Rabi crops are wheat, barley, gram, lentil, rapeseed and mustard and safflower. Okay, then the commercial crops are jute and cobra. Okay, so MSP for Toria and dehusked cotton is also fixed on the basis of the MSP of the rapeseed, mustard and cobra respectively. Okay, so with this knowledge you can answer this question. Okay, so eliminate the seventh statement. It's turmeric, it is not there. Okay, and then yeah, it's areca nut, that is also not there. Okay, so with that elimination you can easily go for answer as B. Okay, so the answer is here is B. See, it is one of the purely factual based question. Okay, so if you have the memorized, means if you done with that memorizing activity, means you can easily answer these kinds of questions. Okay, but because either it is directly or indirectly it is going to use for you. Okay, thank you.